See dear students, next chapter, electrostatic potential and capacitance. It is of 9 hours containing 8 marks. Okay na? So first of all we have to define what is electrostatic potential. So electrostatic potential we can't define. See here, let us assume that plus point charge is Q as a plus point charge is here, and one more test charge if I kept at infinite. How to calculate potential at that point? It is impossible. So if it is impossible means I am taking a one more definition, that is electrostatic potential difference. Electrostatic potential difference. Okay na? So what is electrostatic potential difference? Okay, see here. So plus point charge A is here. Okay na? So one more test charge Q naught, it is at of infinite. Okay na? It is at of infinite. So at a point P I am going to consider. Okay na? Electrostatic potential at a point P can be calculated. At a point can be calculated. Okay na? So we can't calculate electrostatic potential. See here, at a point I am using the word at a point. See here, like plus Q naught, test charge is at infinite distance when I am applying a external force on this. See here, on this point charge, if I am applying a external force along this direction, see here, along this direction electrostatic force will be there, is or not? Against the electrostatic force I am applying a external force over here. External force to bring this point charge at a point P. If I brought, then what to write here? Potential is denoted by V at a point A. Potential difference, I am using the word potential difference. This potential is maximum at this point, VA. It will be, when I brought it this point, it is taken as B. VA minus VB is equal to, I must have to work on this na. If I must have to work on this against of electric field, it will be work done from where to where I am bringing, from infinite to point B, is or not? From infinite to point B divided by ತರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ charge ಯಾವುದು? It will be Q naught. Okay na? So our expression for potential difference will be VA minus VB is equal to work done from infinity to point P divided by Q naught is your potential difference. See here, what is the SI unit of this potential difference? Work done will be in joule, charge will be in coulomb, it will be joule per coulomb. Okay na? Electrostatic potential difference I had calculated, but potential at a point, at this point I want to calculate the potential. Okay, next is electrostatic potential at a point, okay, same equation, same. See here, I am writing once again. Here the point A, at a point infinite, the test charge Q naught is there. At this point I want to calculate electrostatic potential. How to calculate? To bring this point charge from infinity, I must have to work on this. The work is from infinity to P, it will be infinity to P. Then this distance I am taking as R, is or not? So if it is taken as P itself, so V of A at a potential, at this point potential V at P is equal to work done from bringing infinity to point P divided by this charge Q, test charge you can take, it is Q naught. Okay, what should I write? VA minus VB is equal to work done from infinity to point P divided by Q naught. So definition of this electrostatic potential at a point P. Okay na? How to define? The electrostatic potential at a point P is defined as the work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to a point P against the electric field. Is or not? Against the electric field. See this point plus Q is here. Okay na? This electric field will be along this direction, electric field will be along this direction. Against the electric field I am bringing this unit test charge in the electric field is called your electrostatic potential. One more time. So electrostatic potential at a point is defined as the unit positive charge bringing from infinity to that point against the electric field is called your electrostatic potential at a point. Next, see here one derivation is there. Electrostatic potential, expression for electrostatic potential due to a point charge. Okay na? Say this. Next will be expression for, important it is, expression for electrostatic potential due to a point charge. Okay na? See here. How to take this? Due to a point charge, single charge. Here I am taking a positive charge. Okay na? So one more charge, it is at a distance of infinite. So I want it, what I told, electrostatic potential at a point I want to calculate. So I am assuming that this point charge, after working on this, here I am bringing a point charge Q0 at this point. Got the point? Okay na? See here. One more very here, work done from infinity to point P is there. Is or not? So at this point, see, at this point there will be two forces. What are those two forces? One force will be electrostatic force. Fe will be along this direction. Is or not? See here I am writing plus Q. Here will be our Q0. I am bringing this point charge P. Work must be done from infinite to point P. See here, at this point, exactly I will write here, at this point two forces will be there. One is external force. F external will be along this direction. And one more force along this direction, electrostatic force will be there. Fe means electrostatic force. Here I bring up Q0 as a point charge. Then electrostatic force F is equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square by Coulomb's law. Similarly, so see here, this V is equal to, what should I write? Potential. V is equal to work done divided by unit charge bringing charge. Let us call this is equation number 1. Okay, don't write this VA minus VB. For total potential is equal to work done divided by charge. So let us call this is equation number 1. Then one more force is there. What is that force? Electrostatic force. This electrostatic force is equal to K Q Q0 divided by R square. Okay na? Separated by distance, it must be R. Let us call this will be our equation number 2. Okay na? So see here, in the first year as we had studied, the work done by variable force. Okay na? This work done is equal to integration of F into S cos theta. So what is work done? Work energy theorem means work energy power chapter in first year. work done is equal to F into S cos theta. Okay, na? Where theta is the angle between force and displacement. Okay, so work done in case of variable force, our formula will be integration of Fs cos theta. Okay, na? So the work done in variable force, work done by variable force. How to write this? This work done is equal to integration of Fe into E here. Instead of ds or else s, here will be your dr. F into dr cos theta. How to take cos theta here? Is or not? How to take cos theta here? See, I am writing here. So there are two forces. See here, this point I am taking. One will be along, see here, I am writing here, electrostatic force will be along this direction. Is or not? Similarly, one more force, F external will be along this direction. See here, very important. If F external is left out, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಕೈ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಈ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿ ಈ ಕಡೆನೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ? ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿನಾ? ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಫೋರ್ಸು ಈ ಕಡೆನೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಫೋರ್ಸು ಈ ಕಡೆನೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆನೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಫೋರ್ಸು ಈ ಕಡೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಇನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ? ಒಂದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಥೀಟಾ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿನಾ? ಸೊ ಥೀಟಾ is equal to 180 degree. Let us call this is equation number 3. So if it is your equation number 3, okay na, put the value of Fe. Fe value ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. This work done is equal to integration of Fe K Q naught divided by R square into dr cos 180 must be minus 1. Right, it is minus 1. Okay na? This work done is equal to integration of, what are the constants here? K, Q naught are the constants. Integration of 1 divided by R square into dr. Here I am taking negative. Okay na? Then this work done is equal to integration of 1 by R square. Integration of 1 by R square. How to write this? R to the minus 2 shall I write? Okay na? So our formula is integration of x to the power n is equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay na? So integration of n plus 1 here into dr is there. Okay na? Is it then the form of x to the power n? How to write this? R to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So total will be R to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1. ಇದನ್ನ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? minus 1 by R. So it will be Q naught minus 1 divided by R. Okay na? So total answer we are getting here as this work done is equal to minus into minus, it will be plus Q naught divided by R. Let us call this is equation number 4. Okay na? Equation number 4. Put the value of 4 in equation number 1. I will rub this. Okay na? Put the value of work done from equation number 4. This V is equal to work done. It will be Q naught divided by R into Q naught. Okay, Q naught get cancels. This potential is equal to KQ divided by R is the final expression. Very important derivation it is. Expression for electrostatic potential due to a point charge means only one charge if I take them. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಎರಡು ಸೂಪರ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿದೆನೋ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ್ವಾ? ಹೌದಾ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಅ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ್ವಿ. ಈ ಸದ್ಯ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೋದೇ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಆರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೋದೇ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನ ನೀವು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಓದಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಸ್ಟಾಟಿಕ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಅ ಡೈಪೋಲ್. ಓಕೆನಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಶನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ expression for electrostatic potential due to an electric dipole. Electrostatic potential due to an electric dipole. Electric dipole. Okay na. See, it is also very important derivation. How to derive this? So I am drawing a diagram. See this. By the assumption these two lines must be equal. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಇದು ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇವು ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ? ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್, ಇವು ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೈನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಲೈನ್. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಚಿತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ಈಗ ಇವು ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ, ಆ ತರ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್, ಇವು ಎರಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವು ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರು ಪ್ಲಸ್, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ರು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ತಗೋತಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ತಗೊಂಬೇಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ತರದ್ ವೇರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯುವರ್ ಓ. ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ it is your A, B, C. This distance will be your D. Okay na? So this total distance from this point to this point, this total distance is taken as R. Okay na? If it is your theta along this direction, it will be, I am taken as total length, I am taken it as L. Okay na? 2L it will be, sorry, it will be 2L, sorry. So L. So this distance from O to C, from O to C, this distance is taken as L cos theta. Okay na? Then this distance, it is also this distance from this point O to D. O to D is also taken as L cos theta. Okay na? L cos theta. So from P to B, it is taken as R1. From A to P, it is taken as R2. Okay. How to write this? Let us consider a dipole having a charges of minus Q and plus Q. I want to calculate the electric potential at a point P and separated by distance must be R1 and R2. Let the potential, the equation of potential will be, so take total, there are two potential. One, the potential due to minus Q. Second one, the potential due to plus Q. So total potential is equal to what should I write? V1 plus V2. Okay na? Let us call this is equation number 1. Okay na? Then come to the point. So what is V is equal to? What V is equal to? So as I told, V is equal to KQ divided by R. Just before only we had derived this. Work done is equal to kq by r. V1 is equal to what should I write? Kq divided by r1 plus kq divided by r2. Okay na? I am writing, it is to be like this. This V1 is equal to, for V1 it is taken as V1, it will be kq divided by distance must be r1, is or not? Similarly V2 is equal to V2, see here it is negative charge, don't forget this, minus kq divided by, separated by distance will be r2. Okay, put these two values in 1. Total V is equal to kq divided by r1 minus kq divided by r2. What are the common factors here? This V is equal to kq is a common, 1 divided by r1 minus 1 divided by r2. Okay na? So how to write this? I want to calculate r1. Okay na? How to calculate r1? To calculate r1. Calculate r1. How to calculate r1? See here, as I told, these two distance must be same. These two distance must be same. Means CP is equal to, this CP is equal to your CB. Is or not? These two distances must be same. These two, whatever you may take. Okay na? Shall I write this CP is equal to PB, your PB. Okay, if CP is equal to PB means, so instead of CP, shall I write PB over here? Is or not? It is definitely. So CP is equal to PB. I want to calculate R1. See here, this whole term if I kept over here, PB na illi itbitre illivargu bantadu. So ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಏನಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ, r1 ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೋದಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ r1 ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೋದಾ? ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಈಗ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ r1 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಇದೆ, r1 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? r1 ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಸೊ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಳೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ r1, ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ r1 ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದನ್ನಿಷ್ಟು ಕಳೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡಿ. r1 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಲಿ, OP ಒಳಗಡೆ O to P ಮೈನಸ್ O to C ಕಳೆದು ಬಿಡಿ, O to C ಕಳೆದು ಬಿಡಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ r1 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು O to P ಏನಂತಿದೆ, O to P ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ r, O ದಿಂದ P ಕಡೆ r ಮೈನಸ್ O to C ಏನಂತಿದೆ, ದಿಸ್ O to C ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ L cos theta, L cos theta. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಏನ್ ಬಂತು ನಿಮ್ದು, r1 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ r1 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು r minus L cos theta. Let us call this is equation number 2. Okay na? r1 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದೀವಿ. Then how to calculate r2? To calculate r2. How to calculate r2? See here, r2. These two distances are same as I told. Okay na? This distance is equal to this distance. Okay na? So this r2 can be written as what? The distance must be same, means AP is equal to what I told, OD. AP is equal to OD ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇವು ಎರಡು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ r2 is equal to this total distance ಏನಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, r2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ PD, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ, ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ OP ಇದೆ, OP ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು, r ಅಂತಿದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು, L cos theta. ಸೊ ಏನಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನಾನೀಗ, OP ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ OD, O into OD. So this r2 is equal to OP ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, O to P, it will be L R, total distance will be R. plus O to D ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ L cos theta. So it will be L cos theta. So R2 ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಮಗೆ, it will be L cos theta. Let us call this is equation number 3. ಮುಗೀತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡೆರಿವೇಶನ್. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, R1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮತ್ತು R2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದು 2 ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದು 3, it is your 4. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ put the value of equation number 3 and 4 in equation number 2 ಒಳಗಡೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಲಿ, ದಿಸ್ V is equal to KQ is a common 1 divided by R1 value R minus L cos theta minus 1 divided by R plus L cos theta. ಓಕೆನಾ. LCM ತಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ V is equal to KQ, ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ R plus L cos theta minus R minus into minus plus L cos theta whole divided by A minus B, A plus B, it will be A square minus B square. Okay na? A square minus B square. So this V is equal to KQ R get cancels. L cos theta plus L cos theta, it will be 2L cos theta divided by R square minus L square cos square theta. I will rub this. Okay na? Next, this V is equal to KQ. Shall I write it is to be like this? Value of K, it will be 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. I am writing it is to be like this, into Q into 2L into cos theta divided by R square minus L square cos square theta. What is the value of Q into 2L? It will be P, is or not? So this V is equal to P cos theta. What is P? Dipole moment. It will be P cos theta divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R square minus L square cos square theta is the final expression for potential due to a dipole. Okay na? Next ನೋಡಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಅ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಕಂಡಿಡಿದಿದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು, ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಎರಡು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ n ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ potential due to a system of charge, due to a system of charge. Okay na? Say it is your point P. Okay na? It is your point P, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 separated by distance R1, R2, R3, R4. It will be R5, Q4. Okay na? Next, if there are n number of charges, it will be Qn separated by a Rn. Okay na? So for V1, calculate this. V1 is equal to KQ1 divided by R1. Okay, potential. Then V2 is equal to KQ2 divided by R2. V3 is equal to KQ3 by R3. So there are Vn is equal to KQn divided by Rn. Total potential. How to write total potential? This total potential this V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4 up to Vn. Okay na? This V is equal to what will be your V1? K Q1 divided by R1 plus K Q2 divided by R2 plus K Q3 divided by R3 up to K Qn divided by Rn. Okay. Then this V is equal to, shall I take K as a common? Here Q1 divided by R1 plus Q2 divided by R2 plus Q3 divided by R3 up to Qn divided by Rn. Okay na? Then this V is equal to K, shall I write summation of N is equal to 1 to N. Okay. What should I write? This Qn divided by Rn is the final expression for there are number of charges. Okay. So in the next class we will discuss some other topics. Okay. Thank you.